Hi student, today we are going to see exercise 3.2. First sum. Before going to exercise, we should know some property. The sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. For example, here exterior angle is 70 degree, here 90, 60, and this some exterior angle and x. The sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree in a polygon. So the property is the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. By using this property, we can find the value of x. Now we move to exercise 3.2. First A sums. Find the value of x. Here the exterior angle is 125 degree and 125 and x. The sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree. So 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Here 125 plus 125 250. So 250 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree. So x is equal to 360 minus 250, 110 degree. So the value of x is equal to 110 degree. Next one, this is also polygon. The polygon made up of only the line segments. The polygon made up of only the line segments. Okay, here the sum of all exterior angle should be 360 degree, but here given that this is 90 degree, so the exterior angle is 90 degree, but here this is straight line, this is a straight line. If one angle is 90, what about other? In a straight line, total should be 180 degree, so one is 90. What about others? So the remaining is also 90 degree. So the sum of all exterior angles, here 90 degree plus here 60 degree plus 90 degree plus x plus 70 degree is equal to the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. So 90 plus 60, 150, 240, 310. So 310 plus x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree. So x is equal to 50 degree. Okay, do you understand? Okay, next we move to second sum. Open your textbook, dear students. Open your textbook, 8th grade mathematics, page number 44. Open your textbook, page number 44. Now second sum. I read the questions, keep your textbook with you and listen. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. The question is, find the measure of each exterior angles of a regular polygon of 9 sides. Of 9 sides. Of 9 sides. We have to find the exterior angle. We have to find the exterior angle of a regular polygon. To find the exterior angle is equal to exterior angle, each exterior angle is equal to sum of all exterior angle divided by number of sides divided by total number of sides. Okay, each exterior angle is equal to sum of all exterior angles divided by number of sides. In that questions given that in a regular polygon we have 9 sides, so here n is equal to 9. Then each exterior angle is equal to sum of all exterior angle is equal to, already you learned, sum of all exterior angles in a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by total number of sides is equal to total number of sides, 9 sides we have, so 9 sides, so 1 9s are 9. Here how many times? 4 times. 4 9s are 36, 0 is here, so 0. So answer is 40 degree. So each exterior angle should be 40 degree if the number of sides of a polygon is 9. Okay, then second sum, 15 sides. Second sum, 15 sides. So 15 sides. Here n is equal to 9, n is equal to 15. So here each exterior angle is equal to sum of all exterior angles 360 degree divided by, first sum is 9 sides but second sum 15 sides, so we have to divide by 15. So how many times? 1 times 15, here 2 times 30, remainder 6, 60. How many times? 4 times, so that is equal to 24 degree. So each exterior angle is equal to 24 degree if the number of sides of a polygon is equal to 15. Okay, can you understand? Then we move to third sum. Third sum, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? Again I am read, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? Third questions, they are asking if the each exterior angle is 24 degree, is it a regular polygon? Then how many sides we have? Okay, if the exterior angle should be 24 degree, then how many sides of a regular polygon? By using the same formula, here the exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. Exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. We have to find the number of sides. We have to find the number of sides. If the exterior angle is 24 degree, then how many sides in a regular polygon? By using the same formula, exterior angle is equal to the sum of all interior angle divided by total number of sides. So number of sides. Okay, here exterior angle is equal to, in the given questions, exterior angle is equal to 24 degree is equal to 360 degree divided by number of sides. Now we have to find the number of sides of a regular polygon. So number of sides is equal to 360 degree divided by 24 degree. Here by using sine formula, so 12 2s are 24, here 18 0, here 6, here 9 0, here 3, here 45, then 1 3s are 3, here 1. So 5 3s are 15. So number of sides is equal to 15s. We conclude that if the exterior angle is equal to 24 degree, then we have 15 sides in a regular polygon. So answer is 15 sides if the exterior angle is 24 degree. Okay. Then we move to fourth sum. The four sums. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? The question is, if interior angle should be 165 degree, then how many sides? Number of sides. We have to find number of sides in a regular polygon. Okay. The fourth question is, if the interior angle is 165 degree, find the number of sides. How many sides of a regular polygon? By using this interior angle, first we should find the exterior angles. Sum of interior and exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of interior and exterior angle is 120 degree in a straight line. Here, suppose this is interior angles, this is exterior. So the sum of the interior and exterior, okay, angle is equal to 180 degree. So here interior angle is equal to 165 degree. By using this, we should find the exterior angle. So exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus interior angle. So 165 degree. So 180 minus 165 is equal to 15 degree. So exterior angle is equal to 15 degree. Now we have to find the number of sides. By using this formula, we can find the number of sides. So exterior angle, here exterior angle is equal to 15 degree. So 15 degree is equal to 360 degree divided by number of sides. Number of sides in a regular polygon. So number of sides is equal to 360 degree divided by 15 degree. How many times? Here 1 15s are 15. Here 2 times 2 15s are 30. Remainder 6. So 60. How many times? 4 times. So number of sides 24 sides. So if the interior angle is equal to 165 degree, then the number of sides of a regular polygon is equal to 24. That is 24 sides. Okay. Then we will move to next sum. I read the questions. Fifth A sum. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Fifth A. Exterior angle is 22 degree. I explain these questions. If exterior angles of a regular polygon is 22 degree, that is, if exterior angle is 22 degree, is it possible to have a regular polygon? Okay, one more time I tell you. If the exterior angle is equal to 22 degree, then is it a regular polygon? Is it regular polygon? Regular polygon or not? We should find if exterior angle is equal to 22 degree, is it possible to have a regular polygon? In this, all exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree. So the sum of all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. So 360 degree will be divided by 22. Here the remainder, the 360 divided by 22, then is a 22 is a divisor of 360 degree. So how do you find 360 degree divided by 22? By using this 360 degree divided by 22. If the remainder is 0, then it is a regular polygon. But the remainder is not 0, then it is not a regular polygon. It is not possible, because the sum of all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. So 22 must be a divisor of 360 degree. Can we find? So 360 here, 1 times 22, remainder 6 to 4 here, so 14, remainder 0. So how many times? 22. How many times we have? So 22 into 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, then 22 into 7, so 154 is here. So 22 into 6, here 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13, so 132. How many times? 16 times. So 132 is there. So remainder is 8. Here the remainder is 8. So 22 is not a divisor. 22 is not a divisor of 360 degree. So the question, you have to read the questions. What is the questions? Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree? No. The answer is no. It is not possible to have a regular polygon with each exterior angle is 22 degree, because 22 degree is not a divisor of 360 degree. So 22 is not a divisor of 360 degree. Okay, can you understand? Okay, so if it is regular polygon, it should be divisor of 360 degree. The remainder should be 0. The except 0, it's not a regular polygon. Then we move to B sum. fifth B sum. The question is, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Can it be an interior angle? Fifth B question, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Already we are saying about the exterior angle is 22 degree. But in this questions, interior angle is equal to 22 degree. So, if the interior angle is equal to 22 degree, is it possible to have a regular polygon? Okay. The question is, if the interior angle is 22 degree, is it possible to have a regular polygon? Now we have to find the exterior angle first. So, by using this, first we have to find the exterior angle. Here exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus interior angle. 180 degree minus interior angle. Listen here. Fifth A sum is exterior angle is 22 degree. But fifth B sum is interior angle is 22 degree. Okay, feel the difference. Fifth A is exterior angle 22 degree. But fifth B sum is interior angle is 22 degree. So by using this, we should find the exterior angle. So exterior angle is equal to 190 degree minus interior angle. So how to do? 10 minus 2. 8, 7 minus 2, 5, then here 1. So 158 degree. So exterior angle is equal to 158 degree. Is it regular polygon or not? We have to find, is it regular polygon or not? By same thing, 158 should be a divisor of 360 degree. Okay, we should find, is 158 degree, 158 is a divisor of 360. Okay, 360 degree divided by 158 degree. So 158, we have to find 158 is a divisor or not of 360 degree. Okay, so how many times? 158, how many times? 1 or 2 times. Here 150, actually 316. So 2 times can we have? So 8 2s are 16, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 1 2s are 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Then 10 minus 6, 4. Here 5 minus 1, 4. Here. So 44 I think. So 44 is the remainder. So remainder is came. Okay, remainder is came. So 158. If the remainder is 0, then 158 is a divisor of 360. But here the remainder is 44. So 158 is not a divisor of 360. So no, it is not possible to have a regular polygon. So the same answer like A sums. No, it is not possible to have a regular polygon with each exterior angle. Instead of this, each interior angle is 22 degree because here 150 exterior angle is 150 degree, 158 degree. So 158 degree is not a divisor of 360. Can you understand? Otherwise, you can write here each exterior angle is 158 degree because 158 is not a divisor of 360 degree. This is the answer. Both 5A and 5B is not possible to have a regular polygon because that is not a divisor of 360 degree. Okay, can you understand? If you have any doubt means you can call me or you just text me. Okay, then we move to sixth sum. So sixth A sum. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon Y? Sixth A questions. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon Y? Minimum interior angle. Minimum interior angle. The question is, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Is a regular polygon. Okay. What is meant by polygon? Polygon means closed figure. It's made upon only line segments. So possible line segments, the closed figures in three line segments. 1, 2, 3. By using 3 line segment only, we made a polygon. Okay. So we need at least 3 line segment to make a polygon. Okay. The question is, what is the minimum interior angle of a regular polygon? What is the minimum interior angle of a regular polygon? In this is a form of a triangle. But the question is, what is the minimum interior angle of a regular polygon, not a polygon? It should be regular. It should be a regular polygon. In a triangle, equilateral triangle only a regular polygon. In a triangle, already we learned, in a triangle, equilateral triangle only a regular polygon. Because in a regular polygon, all interior angles and sides are equal. In a regular polygon, all angles and sides, all the angles and sides are equal. Okay, so in a equilateral triangle only, all the angles and sides are same. So in a equilateral triangle only, a regular polygon. So in this equilateral triangle, suppose this is x, all the x should be same. Here the sum of all interior angles should be 180 degree. This is not a quadrilateral, not a polygon. This is a triangle. Okay, this is polygon also, but this is a particularly this is a triangle. So sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So 3x is equal to 180 degree. Then x is equal to 180 degree divided by 3. How many times? 6 times. So 60 degree. So x is equal to 60 degree. So the answer is, what is the minimum interior angle? What is the minimum interior angle? So minimum should interior angle should be 60 degree. That is equilateral triangle. So the answer is equilateral triangle. The angle is 60 degree. Okay. Then sixth B sum. Sixth B sum. What is the questions? What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Sixth B question is, what is the maximum exterior angle to a regular polygon? Maximum exterior angle. Maximum exterior angle. So maximum exterior angle. Here equilateral triangle is a 3 line segment made upon only 3 line segments. Angles and sides are equal. So by using this we can find the maximum exterior angles. So the minimum interior angle is equal to 60 degree. The sum of total angle. Okay, the sum of a total angle is equal to 180 degree. So 180 degree, the total angle is 180 degree minus minimum interior angle. So minimum interior angle is equal to 60 degree. So 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. So the maximum exterior angle is equal to the total angle is equal to 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. Okay, can you understand, students? This is the 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree we have. Okay, in this all interior angle is equal to 60, 60, 60. So by using this, x is equal to 60 degree. This is the minimum interior angle. By using this, we can find the maximum exterior angle. So the total angle is 180 degree minus 180 degree minus interior angle. 180 degree minus interior angle is equal to exterior angle. Okay, so 180 degree minus interior angle is 60 degree. So 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. So maximum exterior angle is equal to 120 degree. Okay, students, do you have any doubt? Means you can call me or text me. Okay, thank you.